It is an ornamental plant, best ornamental plant in India is called Furcrarea. Those the plant is the most demanding in the crop in ornamental gardening. It is the best suitable for landscape designing. So nowadays getting up these plants so much commercial. So is a lack of planting material. Thus we are hiring too much of money for purchasing planting material. So see this plant, how much time it takes for growth to coming to the flowering we can get as a plantlets. Have you see the look, the age having that more than 5 years, it will come to the inflorescence the bigger. So you can have a come closer to the look, the inflorescence. When it will start the inflorescence, it will take to that 3 months to getting to that proper length. So it will come to the flower, then flowers to the fruiting. The fruiting, it will come to the plant itself at the crown region. The crown region, the seed modified, we can get as a plantlet itself when the propagating material. Come and have a close, see that. The inflorescence is modified to as a plantlet. The plantlet is, we can separate it and detach from the mother plant. We can plant it as a primary nursery. When it reaches to the 3rd month, we can separate as a secondary nursery. Those the days it will get as a good luxuriant growth. We can accommodate the nursery. So direct in the planting in the lawn.
So, Surendra, my doubt is that whether directly how many it will take to produce for we can use for directly in the lawn or garden for preparation of this land.
It requires first it takes to the flowering to that getting to the planting material. It requires the 6 months. After the secondary nursery only establishment is much higher growth and fulfills the growth and proper diameter to stretching of the leaves. Because there's a lot of huge amount of fertilizer is required to those the plants.
So we can reduce the means total more expenditure. We no need to expenditure and directly we can prepare there itself means.
Yeah, it's getting to the planting material outside nurseries. The cost around that 100 rupees to 150 rupees. So this is the best method to getting the propagated material. Especially in cool climate in Kerala, we can observe that the flower is modified to that the seedlings itself. We can separate each inflorescence, we can get as that.
How many? I think more number of plants we can make ready from one plant itself.
Each inflorescence we can get it more than the 200 to 400 seedlings.
So from the single plant, how much around plants we can make, Surendra?
Each single plant we can get more than the 2000 planting material from this single plant because the age is more than that 5 years plant. So it's the best plant for the ornamentally.
Thank you, Surendra, for this nice information. See here this plant.